Hey there, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my Amazon purchase of a couple different golf accessories. These are from the company Prowithlin. And I like doing these videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item, just so they can get an idea, what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like. First, we have a towel for our golf bag. A cleaning brush. And again, it can clip on the golf bag. It's also retractable. This is basically used to clean the grooves of your irons or woods. Nice rubber handle. And then the practice hitting mat. So it's got a built-in place to sit the golf ball to simulate a tee, or to put a tee in there. And then you can also sit the golf ball directly on the mat to simulate hitting off of a fairway. Has Velcro corners, and it can also be clipped to your golf bag. I'll show you. Comes with a couple different little accessories. Again, a clip. If you wanted to run that through, clip it to your golf bag. And then a couple of stakes to put at the ends here so that the mat doesn't move when you're hitting balls off of it.